Class 11th Botany Morphology of Flowering Plant. So, what is morphology? What is morphology? So, morpho means external appearance. So, what is external appearance? Morphology means study. So, what are external appearance? External appearance of plant are root, stem, leaf, fruit, and flower, etc. Plus their adaptation and protection is called as morphology. So, first of all, we are starting with types of roots. Roots. First, taproot. Second, fibrous. Third, adventitious. So, example of taproot is mustard, and example for fibrous root is all the monocot classes, which are wheat, rice, and adventitious root are seen in banyan tree. So, now what are the functions of root? So, basically, the functions of root is absorption absorb water and minerals from soil, store food, so these are the function of root. So now we have normally studied about the function of root. So we need to go into depth. So modifications next. So what are the modifications of root? So modified root has been modified into separate divisions. For storage, food storage, taproot has carrot, which stores food, and advantageous root, which are sweet potato, and in support, crop root system, which is seen in banyan tree, and stilt root system, which are commonly seen in maize and slash in sugarcane. So next furtherly we will draw the detailed diagrams of these plants and the roots. For respiration, this is rhizomimophores, which oxygen exchanges. So for example of respiration root, which it is a soil, the root comes vertically upwards from the soil for absorb oxygen which is in environment. So it is in a region of what is the region? Next, give me a minute. I need to clean this. We had studied the modifications of root. So we haven't the diagrams of the roots. So taproot system first. This system stores food in their root and uses in unfavorable condition. So example of taproot system is carrot. So now we can see it is a normal diagram of a carrot. Next, crop root system. Or it is also called as support root system. So these roots, example of crop root system is banyan tree. So we can see this is an example of banyan tree. The roots arise from branches and touches the soil. This gives support for the branches of banyan tree. Yeah, next we are going to read draw a detailed structure about stilt root system. Yeah. So we have taken the example which gives mechanical support to plant or tree. Example of stilt root system is maize or sugarcane. So we can see a detailed structure here of a stilt root system with some soil. So the stilt root which were arise from the internodes of a plant. So from here, this so these roots will arrive the fibrous roots, and these are called stilt roots. These stilt roots also gives mechanical support to the plant. And next we have discussed already about respiratory roots, which are commonly seen in mango vera. And next we are going to study detail about regions of root. Yeah. So region of root consists of root meristems, region of elongation, and region of meristematic activity and root cap. So you can see here it's a common diagram of region of root. So it has root hairs, yeah, region of elongation, which along large cells, and region of maturation, which are matured cavity, and root cap, region of maturation, and this is a region of elongation, and region of so root cap, which protect the root and make root weight to the soil, and region of meristematic activity, which is continuously divided into small cells, and it has dense protoplasm. It has large nucleus, thin cell wall, abundant plasmodesmatal connections, and region of elongation, which has more cell wall deposition, and region of maturation, which has cell wall deposition more, and root hairs are present. Bro, please like. So root hairs has more surface area and absorb more what minerals and water. These are root hairs. So now we have successfully completed about root. And now we are going to start STEM. Hello. So functions of STEM are support structure, and it can store food, it help in asexual reproduction, so stems are modified into underground further categories. Underground stem modification. Examples of underground stem modifications are ginger, turmeric, and which stores food. These foods are stores food, and colocasia. So tendrils next, which are also called as climbers. Grapevine, and god gods. So next thorns. Wood is treated. Examples of thorns are bougainvillea and citrus. Photosynthetic roots. So these are flat, opentia, euphorbia. Examples of runners are grass, strawberry, and offsets. Example of offsets is pistia and suckers. Example of suckers are banana. So you need to learn every one example for everything. That's one, that's enough for board exam. So thank you.